Yo, dude, exciting day. We are at New York Safety Track. This guy's pretty fast. Yeah, it's like stage 3. It's all... First of all, I want to thank Shari and Uncle Bill for letting us take this beautiful Huracan EVO to the track. We are at New York Safety Track, beating the hell out of this thing. And boy, is it fun. We are finally at a place where we can use the car to their advantage, go sideways, there's no traffic, hold them full, really go bananas. I've done it probably about, what, 20 laps now? Yep. I just came back, checked all the pressures, make sure everything's good. The tires are literally peeling apart as we speak. Got my cousin Justin here today. And the team, we got Luciano with us. An animal, and this car's rear-wheel drive, so it's a huge help. Really fun on the track. I'm gonna take you in a car and let's go blast some laps. I was a little hesitant at first with this car because we had some choices. The Z01, the 720S. I'm happy we didn't take the 720S because actually the windows don't work, and we need the windows down. So who knows if we can get them up. Track is still a little bit wet, so we're still kind of struggling here and there for grip and stuff, but let's get in it. Do some laps, show you guys what it's about. Beautiful. And let's go. So we just did a couple laps. We got the car nice and hot. What do you think?
I think it's freaking sick.
Shari. And yo, shout out to the
Shout out to the Schwicks.
They're the best.
They are the best. Absolutely.
We're gonna get back out there and spank this thing, and we're gonna go catch my cousin Justin right there.
Let's do it. Okay. Yeah.
Now let me just ask you, can we do a lap doing some iPhone stuff?
I just got some, but it's up to you. We can right now.
With my iPhone?
Yeah, that's fine.
I just gotta put some gas in it. Was that you? That was me. See what happens, yo. You start putting the pressure on people, and then all of a sudden they're like, because I've done it.
Yeah.
I only know this because I've done it. You start to outdrive yourself.
Yeah.
And then shit like that happens. So,
alright.
What a fucking machine, dude.
Cool. Signing off for now.
Signing off. Let's do it. All right, we are done for the day. Luke, you want to set these straps up?
I can't just.
These double, the ones with the double zip ties are the straps for the rear. What's your fucking problem? That is the boss lady, Shari Schwick. There she goes. What an epic day. We totally roasted and toasted this car. Let's look at it quickly. It's epic, bro. Epic car. I can't say enough about it. Last couple laps, we did full traction off. We got some good drifts too. We got to bring this home. We got to set it up. We got to put it on the trailer. I hope you guys enjoy the footage, and we'll talk more while I'm not so pumped up on adrenaline during the wash or after, and we'll go over the whole day, what we did and everything involved.
Yo, whose M is that?
Oh, whose M is that? Just some fucking the greatest ever.
Oh man.
Show him the hair.
Show him the hair. We need to see the hair.
Yeah, there it is. There it is, a handsome devil. This is my cousin Justin, everyone.
Oh,
my beloved cousin.
Yeah, right.
Beautiful.
What a day it was, dude. So we're back from the track with the Lambo. What a day, dude. This is what happens when you take a car to the track. It gets very, very, very dirty. Brake dust, you get rubber on the cars. This is what happens. So, well, first of all, it was raining in the morning on the drive up. It was terrible. So that's why it's like covered in like all of this garbage and gunk, and it's filthy. But then you have this, right? See, like this doesn't come off, right? And we don't want to abrase and rub anything and scratch anything. And of course we get the fucking sun. Yeah. Look at that rim, dude. So you also get shit like this. So you get, rubber from the tires because we annihilated these tires. We'll put the valve stems back on. We'll refill them with the right tire pressures because they're real low right now because of the hot temps with the hot pressure we had them set at. But see, you have rubber all over the place, and it's really dirty. Because again, there's so much dirt and so much shit on this car, and a lot of it is brake dust and debris from the track. A lot of it is sharp. So the last thing we want to do is scratch this car as we're cleaning it. But hey, this thing rips. I've driven these cars many times, and I always liked them on the street. It wasn't like, you know, my favorite because you can't see out of them. Yeah. They're like a little tough to drive. They're all that. Dude, this car on a track, this is the rear wheel drive. This is the Evo. So it's like, dude, what a machine. Yo, so fucking good. I started in the first lap I ran in like, I think it's Strada. Okay, so you have Strada, Sport, and Corsa. First lap out to feel the car out, I had it in Strada, let the car do its thing, play with the paddles, and it was okay. Traction control was way too limiting. Then I put it in sport mode. Again, traction control was way too limiting. It wouldn't give me any slip, anything. Then I put it in the Corsa, and the car gave me the right feedback. It would let me get the car sideways just enough where I can continually, you know, just slide in the corners, just, you know, be on the throttle, and the car wouldn't, you know, choke me. Yeah, it wouldn't choke me. It would let, yeah, right. I mean, you felt it as we kept going, you know. Yeah. And then we did a couple laps with the traction off, just kind of hoon around a little bit, see what it could do, see what kind of slides you can get. Again, guys, not my car. I wasn't pushing this car whatsoever. I mean, don't get me wrong, I drove it.
You drove it.
I drove it, and I hammered this thing pretty good, but I didn't, by any means, like, push it to its limits. Saw a couple guys spin out, which Bronxville Motors, those guys in the yellow E46 with Nick Zach, they keep messaging me asking for the video of them spinning out. So you'll see it prior to this. But man, what a day, dude, what a day. Everybody loved this car. Mm-hmm. I mean, if you have the means to drive one of these on track, do it. Hey, doggies, we love doggies. That don't bother me. But dude, incredible car. Crazy. So let's get to cleaning it. Guys, like, subscribe, notifications, help us out. Show us some love. You know, you guys hit that button. It's like you're paying us. It's that simple. You want to support us, all you got to do is click the button. So click the button. Help us out.
You get better content.
Better, exactly. Hopefully we could buy some of this shit and then do really whatever we want.
Yeah.
You know? So let's clean it. It needs a lot of love, and we'll see you on the next one.
Most likely.
All right.